Hello guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to transfer Toncoin from your Tonkeeper wallet to your Binance account. So of course, again, you need two things. You need a Tonkeeper wallet, whether you're using the Google Chrome extension on your PC or laptop, or you've downloaded it to your mobile device. And of course, you need your Binance account, right? So we want to get your Binance account's Ton wallet address. So how do you do that? Let's go to your Binance account, right? So go to Binance. And here, what you want to do is tap on portfolio on the lower right corner of the screen. So tap portfolio here. And what you want to do is tap on add funds, the big yellow add funds here, like so. This pop-up will appear. Now, what you want to do is tap on deposit crypto because we want to deposit from Tonkeeper to Binance. So do that. And here, what we want to do next is tap on Ton. So let's search for Ton, like so. And here, you see Ton, tap on that. And here, of course, we're going to choose this blockchain. And then, voila, this is going to be your Tonkeeper, your Binance's Ton wallet address. Of course, you just, copy that and then go back to Tonkeeper again and tap on send. Paste it here. It says you must include a note. So go back to Binance and copy the note, right? Go back to Tonkeeper, paste that, and afterwards just tap continue, and the process is very straightforward, and you will be good to go. So that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you like it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We will see you on the next video.